Hello, friends. As we promised in the comment on our post, we are making a complete video step by step. We received a lot of comments, and this is the first very basic video of our series Dashboard Master. I have prepared a basic procedure on how to make or start a dashboard. So let's follow these steps. If there is changes in the procedure, we'll update here itself. If you want this procedure in the document format, please comment procedure and I will send to you. You can also subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. It will help us to create more helpful Excel content. Let's start. Step 1, Dashboard Layout Setup. Let's open our raw data Excel sheet and add new sheet. Rename this sheet to Dashboard. Now go to Dashboard sheet and turn off the grid lines. Second, set column width. Let's set A to Z column width 18. Third, set row height. Just select 1 to 30 or as per your requirement. We'll keep height 32. Now, most important point, add a background. Select the area. For us, it's A1 to Z30 with the light gray fill. So I will use the RGB 128 as this is dark mode. Professional dashboard always start with the layout, not charts. Now let's move to the step 2, dashboard title. Merge C1 to Z2 or as per your requirement and write the title, business dashboard. Now let's format it. Keep the font size 26, bold, white text and fill with the RGB 36. This creates a strong visual anchor at the top. And step 3, KPI cards, most important parts of dashboard. If we go to the KPI sheet, we have 4 KPIs: total revenue, new customer, website traffic, and profit margin. Now let's design the KPI cards. Insert a shape, rounded rectangle. Now let's format the shape first. Fill with the RGB 127. No outlines. Select sharp shadow. Keep size all cards evenly. Now we'll go inside the shapes. At the top, we'll write the KPI name. With the RGB 217 and the font size 12. And now, and in the middle, the numbers will use the RGB 153, 255, and 153, and font size will be 16. And in the bottom, percentage change text. Repeat the same steps for the other three KPIs. Now we have completed with the KPIs. Let's move to the next step, step 4, revenue trend line chart. Now let's create the revenue trend chart. Go to the sheet, select the month plus revenue, insert chart. Now let's move this chart to the dashboard. Color should be blue. Remove the grid lines. And finally, change the title, revenue trend. Line charts show directions. People quickly read the growth. Now let's move to the step 5, sales by category. Select category and sales percent. Insert pie chart. Now move this to dashboard sheet. Show the percentage labels and change the title to sales by category. Pie charts work when the categories are few and clear. Now let's move to the step 6, customer acquisition. Go to the data source, select all data, insert a combo chart. Make sure that the new customer will be in the column and conversion rate should be secondary axis with the line chart. Combo charts looks advanced, perfect for intermediate dashboard. Now change the title. Step 7, top products tables. Go to top product sheet, copy the table to the dashboard. Format as no grid line, bold headers, currency format. And the most important, highlight the rank 1. Ranking trigger attention, human psychology. So, if you found this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook page. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.